Hello, good afternoon, guys, and welcome to our demonstration on how to send messages or multiple messages within your Gmail. Okay, so what you're going to do is to demonstrate, first of all you have to do is go to your URL and type your Gmail. Okay, so since my login details are already in, uh, what you're going to do is to click Gmail link. So before you do this, guys, reminder that you can do this if you have your email accounts already logged in. Okay? So on your compose on Gmail, click compose, and then you'll be directed to the email prompt. On your email prompt, you have to write at least three email addresses. So, like for example, if I'm going to write, okay, and then another Gmail address. Okay, and then another address. Okay, and then the last address. Okay, so after putting up your email addresses, you have to take a screenshot and then write the subject or your message. If you want to attach any file, you have to click the attachment button, and then you'll be directed to the file that you're going to attach. For example, this one. And then the last thing that you ought to do is to send the message. So by doing this, by pressing the button send, you'll be able to send messages already. Okay, it says here that the message that I've composed was sent already, and view messages. So for viewing the messages, you have the mail delivery subsystem that is confirming if your email was sent or not. So after this, what you're going to do is to check for the email address that the email was sent. Okay, so I think the message was received. After this, what you're going to do is to print screen, uh, print screen the message that was received, and then you have your activity already. Okay, so that's. I hope that you have learned something out of our demonstration, and I am also hoping that you will do your activity and pass it on time. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and have a good afternoon. Thank you.